Plywood was holding it up. There it is. Totally. This piece here needs welded back onto the frame of the side. This needs cleaned up and welded to it because it's all welded up over here, it appears. You see where they cut the wood out there. This has been replaced. This has had some work done on it here. So that piece there needs replaced. No big deal. I think this will be a pretty easy fix.
Started.
Know that, you know, back in the day when we used hacksaws,
they come out here and asked us what we was doing, and I said we making sparks and breaking hearts.
Who did?
Nobody. I just wanted to say that.
oh, I thought there was a poker on this one. I don't see one. Oh, don't need one. Okay, I guess I'll seal that hole up first. Like a glove. Or on this seam. Something I don't like about this here caulking gun. I like a lot of things about it, but I do not like the way the tube flops around in there. Don't like it at all. Okay, got my bits, drill bits, and my screwdriver bits. I'll show you something on these. These are D-walls. And these little things, these little cases, they lock together like this. You just kind of put them here, and then there's a little slot here. There's a little thing, a little grab bar here, and a slot back here. And you lay them together, and then you run this snap, and it holds them together. And they hold together. But the cool thing is, these Craftsman ones, these Craftsman cases they hook right up with them. So my guess is that they're made by the same place.